The growing for mechanical keyboards, admired by typists and gamers for their satisfying tactile feedback, durability, and precision, mirrors the surge of interest in affordable offset smokers. Home barbecue enthusiasts want the perfect balance of performance, durability, and value without breaking the bank. List 1. Z-Grill Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker 8-in-1 Pellet Grill with Automatic Temperature Control. The Z-Grill's Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker combines the convenience of automation with the rich flavor of wood-fired cooking. This 8-in-1 grill offers grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, braising, and more, all in one compact unit. Its automatic temperature control ensures consistent heat, making it easy even for beginners to achieve perfect results. The hopper holds enough pellets for hours of low and slow smoking without constant refills. The sturdy construction and ample cooking space make it a solid choice for family barbecues or parties. List 2. Z-Grill's Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker 8-in-1 Pellet Grill with Automatic Temperature Control. This second listing of the Z-Grill's 8-in-1 emphasizes versatility and consistency. Like the previous model, it delivers excellent temperature stability, which is crucial for smoking ribs, brisket, or pork shoulder to perfection. With its robust steel construction and a digital controller, you can set your desired temperature and let the smoker do the work. Cleanup is also easy thanks to its grease management system. Whether you're smoking low and slow or searing at high heat, this pellet smoker offers impressive performance for its price. List number MF Studio Heavy-Duty Charcoal Wood Offset Outdoor Smoker Grill. For those who love the hands-on experience of managing charcoal and wood, the MF Studio Heavy-Duty Offset Smoker is a fantastic choice. Built from sturdy steel, this smoker delivers classic BBQ flavor with its offset design, which keeps direct heat off your food for even cooking. The generous cooking space is great for smoking large cuts or grilling for a crowd. Its adjustable vents and easy-access firebox make controlling the heat manageable even for beginners. List 4. Green Party Offset Smoker Charcoal Grills with 37-inch Cook Chamber, Barrel Smoker and Charcoal Grill Combo. The Green Party Offset Smoker offers a great combination of smoker and grill functionality. With its 37-inch cook chamber, you get plenty of space to smoke meats or grill vegetables and burgers. The barrel-style smoker features adjustable vents and a separate firebox for indirect heat, ensuring authentic smoked flavor. The heavy-duty steel construction holds heat well, while its wheels and side shelf add convenience. List number 5. Sophia and William Heavy-Duty Charcoal Outdoor Smoker Grills. Extra Large Offset Smoker, 941 square inch, for those who need maximum cooking space. The Sophia and William Extra Large Offset Smoker delivers an impressive 941 square inches of cooking area, perfect for hosting big barbecue parties. Made from heavy-duty steel with a classic offset firebox design, it delivers excellent heat distribution and true smoked flavor. The adjustable chimney and vents allow for precise temperature control, while the large firebox accommodates plenty of charcoal and wood. Despite its size, it's easy to maneuver thanks to its sturdy wheels.